Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Royal Mail click and drop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Royal Mail app, and then be sure to be logged into your account, or if you create one if you don't have an account. Now once you have logged in or created an account, click and drop. Choose your service. Click and drop offers several services for both domestic and international mail. You get parcels for sending parcels within the UK, international parcels for parcel being sent overseas, tracked for you can opt for services like track 24, track 48 and special delivery, standard letters for letters and small items. You can select the appropriate service depending on the type of mail you want to send. Then next is to enter the parcel details. Select create a shipment. In the click and drop dashboard, select create a shipment. Then enter the recipient details, include the recipient address and contact information. Weigh your parcel. Make sure to weigh your parcel accurately and select the correct size and weight. Then choose the service, example first class, tracked or special delivery based on your needs. Then pay for postage, and then print the postage label and then attach the label to the parcel. You can also drop off at your nearest post office. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.